Hi everyone and welcome back to the CADReader tutorial series. In lesson 27, we'll introduce the drawing comparison with base point feature in CADReader. Let's get started. When comparing drawings that do not overlap automatically, and when comparing different areas within the same drawing file, first open both the old and new versions of the drawings in CADReader. Next, click Drawing Comparison from the toolbar, then select Compare. At first, you may only see the yellow drawing on the screen because the two drawings are positioned differently and do not overlap. To align them, zoom out and locate the second drawing shown in the different color. Then zoom in closer to the blue drawing. Now click Base Point. Choose a reference point on the blue drawing that matches the exact same location on the yellow drawing. Left-click that point and move your mouse. As you move it, the drawing will shift accordingly, allowing both drawings to overlap correctly. Once aligned, the identical content will automatically turn gray, while the differences between the drawings will remain highlighted in color. This makes it easy to identify changes between versions or areas of the drawing. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.